Si Fry Ian Aguinaldo, ang primary DTF operator ng 30cm dito sa Ilocos. Ito po ang aming machine na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters of 22. Ito po ang kanyang head. Ito naman po ang kanyang capping na may 90% good condition. Head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman po ang ink tank area. Ang ink system po nito is tama lang. Ito naman po yung used ink namin and used powder. Unused ink and unused powder. DTF film. Ito naman po yung ground wire, waste tank, and EVR. Ito naman po yung DTF daily output record for the month of January. DTF consumable monitoring for the month of January. And DTF maintenance checklist for the month of January.